guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel. I hope you are liking my content and I hope you're watching it. If you've not, then please do. So let's quickly get into the big question. How do I apply sunscreen after my makeup? क्योंकि सब बोलते हैं reapply your sunscreen after every 2 hours, but when you are doing your makeup, how do I remove my makeup, apply sunscreen, and again do my makeup? Practically not possible, right? So I'm going to today tell you how to reapply sunscreen on your makeup. And you would have heard of sun sticks, right? Like you would have heard a lot of people talking about those sun sticks, and mostly all brands have it. I have personally hated them. Like, I've hated them. The reason I've hated them is one, very difficult to apply because they're so hard to swipe on your skin, on your makeup. Two, when I kind of use it on my makeup moves, and it is very rare that it won't move. It will definitely move from some place or the other. 3, you have to apply like at least 5-6 times for you to get the kind of coverage that you want. Okay, so hence for me those sun sticks were like a big miss. So I don't recommend sun sticks. 2 things I would recommend is this. Now what is this? Okay, now this is basically a what you call a powder. It's a sunscreen powder, and this is by the brand Supergoop, guys. This is how it looks like. Now it has a brush on the top. So you see this has a brush, okay, and it kind of comes out like that. Okay, and this has, you see, this has the powder, okay, which obviously is here. Okay, and I kind of rotate the powder, then it comes on the brush, and then I reapply it. So that's the solution, guys. This is SPF 35 PA++++. This is something which, you know how I got to know about it? I got to know about it through Madhuri Dixit. I was watching one of her videos and she mentioned about this product, and I was so curious that I have to find it out. And then when I went to kind of look for it in India, I found few. I tried them, but the application was so cumbersome that I didn't enjoy them. So this is basically a brand called Supergoop. It's available internationally, guys. So when you travel, please look out for this. Okay, there's another brand which I'm going to show here. This is another one which is available in US. It is very good. You can try that. Now this is one of the best reapplication solution for your makeup. Okay, very easy to glide on. It doesn't disturb your makeup. You can use it every hour, every 2 hour. It's that simple. Okay, now this is something that I would recommend. I'll put the link of this brand. It is available in India on Amazon, so you can check this one out. You can also check the other ones which you have it in India, but I personally didn't enjoy it so much. But of course you can have your own personal experience, so you can try them out. But this is a great solution to reapplication of sunscreen on your makeup. The second solution I would give is this. Now this is basically a sunscreen spray, again by the brand Supergoop. Now guys, Supergoop it's supremely popular when it comes to this sunscreen. Supremely popular when it comes to this sunscreen. So don't miss out on this brand in case you have not checked it out as far as sunscreen is concerned. Okay, and I'm going to do a full video on sunscreen where I'm going to recommend the best sunscreens out there for all skin types. So don't miss it out. Please subscribe in case you are interested. This is basically the spray, guys. I almost sprayed it on my face, guys, sorry. So this is how the spray looks. Okay, now it will dry out, guys. You don't have to kind of spread it like this. I mean, you can use it on your body and spread it, but if you're using it on your face, you don't have to kind of spread it. You let it dry. it will dry like in another 3-4 minutes. It's not going to take too long to dry. It will dry it out. And obviously close your eyes when you're putting it. Don't be a fool like me who just did not close her eyes right now, but close your eyes when you're putting it and apply it. Let it kind of dry it out, and your makeup is still in place and your reapplication is done. Now these both the applications are only recommended for reapplication of sunscreen over makeup. These are not your ideal sunscreen solution when you are doing your makeup or when you're not doing your makeup. These are just reapplication solutions. Okay, so that was my intent, guys, to tell you how do you kind of reapply sunscreen on your makeup and what is the solution out there for that, because most of us really struggle with it, right? And sunstick doesn't work for me at all. You can tell me if it works for you and which one have you tried that really works for you. Please comment, and I'll again give it a try if you want. Okay, that's all from my end. Thank you so much and love you. Please keep giving me love and please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.